Solving a system of equations algebraically. I'm going to set these two equal to one another. And then I'm going to choose to either move the left 3 terms to the right or vice versa, the right 3 terms to the left. And just to make life easier, I'm going to move the right to the left. So I'll go ahead and do each one of these steps. Nothing remains now on the right-hand side. 12x squared plus 17x plus 6. Okay, we need to solve this. So the two methods that always work, that take a little more work, would be completing the square to solve or quadratic formula. Algebraically, that's how you could solve. The one that is quicker, that requires the least amount of work, will not always work. But we're going to try that method. That is the factoring method. So 12 times 6. 12 times 6 is positive 72. Can you think of two terms that multiply to give you 72 and combine to give you 17? What about 8 and 9? Yes? Take the leading coefficient, which is different than 1, and place it underneath both numbers. Reduce the fractions if possible. Divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 3, and divide by 3. So one x value is x equals negative 2/3, and the other is x equals negative 3/4. This is where most students stop on the test. But remember, every x value has a corresponding y value. So go up to the original two equations and choose the one you prefer to work with. And wherever you see an x, we're going to substitute in the values we just solved for. Okay, so 4 times quantity, negative 2/3 squared, plus 7 times quantity, negative 2/3, plus 5. Put it back into a fraction, so 19 over 9. I'm going to do the same process with an x value of negative 3/4. Two solutions. Each solution has an x and a y coordinate.